In this quick video, I will show you how to buy BRISE with BUSD step by step. So before we proceed, I just want you to know that you can also buy BRISE with BUSD in any exchange that supports Brise Token. But today we are going to use Pancakeswap here to buy BRISE using BUSD. So the first step is to go to pancakeswap.finance and you will gonna need to connect your wallet. So let me disconnect this first and click connect wallet, and you can choose any of this wallet, but we are going to use MetaMask. Now once you have connected your wallet, go to trade here and under trade click swap and then click here, switch it to BUSD, then click here and type down BRISE. Click here. Before we proceed for the transaction, I just want to inform you that as for the BRISE tokenomics, the users are charged a 12% transaction fee. And you can see here the breakdown of the 12% transaction fee. So before you make a transaction or before you swap, make sure that your slippage tolerance is at least 13% or above. And now you can type the amount of BUSD you want to swap. For example, I want to swap the maximum amount of BUSD I have, and then I would receive this amount of BRISE. Click enable BUSD. Click confirm. Click swap. Click confirm swap, and so you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee here. So make sure that you leave enough BNB token in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. And you can see it here. Now click confirm, go to your MetaMask wallet, and check if you have received the Brise token. Go to assets here, and as you can see, I have received this amount of Brise token. And if you have any questions about how to buy Brise with BUSD, leave a comment below.